Now that our XP bar and leveling system are working, it's time to add XP Orbs. Just like the green crystals you pick up in Survivor's IO. Every time an enemy dies, there should be a chance for a small or a big orb to drop. Small orbs give a little XP, big orbs give more. This makes progression more rewarding and visually clear. Let's set up the XP Orb system now. In this part, we're going to create the Big XP Orb, which is the crystal dropped when an enemy dies. This orb gives the player more experience than the small one, and it's the main reward for defeating enemies. Let's start by creating the Big Orb prefab. Drag the orb sprite into the scene, rename it. Green XP Orb. Big. Add a Circle Collider 2D and set is trigger to true. Now I'll attach a script that handles the XP value of the orb and how the player collects it. When the player touches the crystal, we'll add XP to the XP system and destroy the orb. Next, we need to tell the enemy to drop this big orb when he dies. I'll go into the enemy health script and add a reference to the big orb prefab, then instantiate it at the enemy's position when he dies. Let's test the Big XP Orb. I'll hit play, defeat an enemy, and you can see that every time one dies, it drops a large green crystal. When the player touches it, the orb disappears and the XP bar increases. This works perfectly, and now we have our core XP reward system in place. Right now, our Big XP Orb drops every time an enemy dies. But we want it to be random so the player doesn't get a guaranteed reward from every kill. So let's add a simple drop chance system. We'll create a percentage value, and when the enemy dies, we'll roll a random number. If the number is below our drop chance, the orb spawns. Otherwise, nothing drops. This gives us the same behavior seen in Survivor's IO. Sometimes enemies drop a crystal, sometimes they don't. Let's test the new random drop system. I'll hit play and defeat a few enemies. You can see that sometimes the big crystal drops and sometimes nothing drops at all. That's exactly what we want. A chance-based XP reward system that keeps combat more dynamic and unpredictable. Now we're going to create the Small XP Orb, which naturally spawns on the map for the player to collect. Unlike the big orb that drops from enemies, the small one appears randomly around the map at intervals. This helps the player gain XP even when there aren't many enemies around and keeps the environment feeling alive. Let's start by creating the Small Orb prefab. Now we need a system that spawns small XP orbs around the map at random positions. We'll create a simple spawner that generates orbs every few seconds, inside a defined area or radius. Later on, we can make this smarter with biome zones or spawn waves, but for now, we'll keep it simple. Now let's create an empty game object and call it XPorb Spawner. Place the spawner at the center of your map and add a component XPorb Spawner. Assign the small Orby prefab. Add a new tag XPorb Small and assign it to the small orb prefab. I'll press play, and every few seconds you can see new small XP crystals appearing around the map. When the player walks into them, they get collected and the XP bar increases. If the number of orbs reaches the maximum limit, the spawner stops automatically, preventing performance issues. This gives our map some life and lets the player gain XP even when enemies are not nearby.